Riflescope. Let's take a little look at what's inside the box. So, first of all, you get this nice carry case, which is protective with a handle. And let's see what's in the box. So this is the new HikMicro Alpex A50T, which is a day night vision rifle scope, so you can use it full colour in daytime like a normal day scope, but it's digital. Switching into twilight mode where it will deliver colour in low light or in twilight, and then into night vision at night. It's powered with an internal rechargeable battery. It uses 30mm ring mounts, so it looks and feels just like a normal day scope. It also has a turret cap in here as well, which will take a CR123 battery in here for extended runtime. It's variable magnification, and it's got a smooth zoom, which is controlled by this wheel here. So it's a really nice zoom function, nice zoom in and out. Video recording Wi-Fi, and your buttons are all contained here for your menu and for various different controls, as well as a click wheel adjuster here. So let's have a little look what's in the box. So the HikMicro Alpex comes with an infrared illuminator, which is this one here, which is an 850nm. It's powered by an 18650 battery, which we'll cover in a minute, and you get two of those with them that are rechargeable. It has spot to flood adjustment and variable power here as well with this control dial. And it's a really nice IR, as a one that's included as standard. You also get the IR mount, which of course attaches to the 30mm scope tube, and it has a little ball joint in here which allows you to position the IR where you need it, and that works really well. There's these here, which are little scope ring attachments which go to your scope. Attach them on here, and it means when you're putting your mounts on, you won't damage the nice coating on the scope. Comes with a charger, which is for your 18650 batteries, which are these two here. These are rechargeable 18650 batteries, and they're designed to power the infrared illuminator, and they fit in the tail cap here. Comes with a lens cloth. This strap here is for attaching onto the carry case, and you get a plethora of different manuals which covers everything from the IR illuminator to the chargers and of course to the scope. Inside you get disposable CR123 batteries, so these are not rechargeable. You'll notice there's a label on here which says don't recharge, and these pop into the turret on your Alpex for giving you extended runtime. You get two of those disposable batteries. You also have the USB cable in here for your Alpex, which can be used for charging the Alpex or downloading footage. It's also used as your USB cable for charging your 18650 batteries, which are included here. So that's it. That's the new HikMicro Alpex A50T digital day night vision rifle scope. It's in stock now at scottcountry.co.uk, and if you order it today, you'll get it tomorrow.